Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Maktoum. In this video we will discuss about a data structure called as stack. So are you ready to learn about stack? So let's jump into it. So the first question arises is what is stack? So to explain you what is stack, we are going to consider a few examples. Here you can see the collection of plates, okay? The plate which is at the top is the first to be removed. Say you want the bottom plate. So can we able to remove the bottom plate time? No. We have to first remove the top plates. Yes? Okay, this is one example. And the second example you can consider of collection of books. So the book which is at the bottom is the last to be removed. So if you want to remove the book which is at the bottom, you have to first remove the top books. Yes, and if you want to place a book, you're going to place book on top. You cannot place at the bottom. Yes, then you can consider the bangles. The last bangle inserted is the first to be removed, or the first bangle inserted is the last to be removed. So I hope you are getting something here. So, what is stack? What is stack? Stack is a linear data structure which perform operations on LIFO or FILO order. What is this LIFO and FILO? LIFO refers to last in, first out, means the element which is entered at the last is the first to be taken out. You saw in the previous example. Here, the plate which is placed at the last is the first to be taken out. Same in case of books also. The book which is placed at the last is the first to be taken out. Okay? Or else you can also say the plate which is placed first is the one to be taken last. That is the first in, last out. Clear with that? Okay, so stack is a linear data structure which perform operations on LIFO or FILO order. I hope I'm clear with this. The process of adding an item in the stack is called push. So if you want to add an item to the stack, the process of adding an element to a stack is called as push. The process of removing an item from the stack is called pop. Top indicates the position of an element which is added lastly. So the last element position is referred as top in case of stack. I hope I'm clear with what is stack. So let us see how the stack works. If you understand this process, you can easily write the stack program. Okay. When the stack is empty, top will be -1. So assume that our stack is empty. So when the stack is empty, the top value will become -1. Okay. When you are inserting an element, you will increment the value of top. Say you want to add an item to the stack now. So what you are going to do? You are going to increment the value of the top. What was the value of top in the previous? It is -1. If you add +1, it will be 0. So if you want to add 5, so the at top position 0 you're going to add 5. Then you say you want to add one more element, then again increment the value of top. So top will become 1. So at the position of 1 you're going to place the next element. Again you can increment the top value and you can add the element. So if you want to add the element, what you are going to do? You're going to increment the value of top. This is the logic, and this process is called as push. Okay, what I'm doing here, I am adding the element. That process is called as push. I hope you understand the logic of push. what you're going to do for push, you're going to increment the value of top, as well as you're going to insert the element. Next, if you want to remove an element from the stack, then decrement top. Last entered element is the first to be taken out. Okay, you can see the top value was what? The top value previously it was 2. Say you want to delete an item, you are going to decrement the top value. So from top 2, it became to top 1. Okay, means the second, the element which is placed at position 2 is removed now. Okay, now only two elements are remaining in the stack. Okay, say you want to remove one more element, so again decrement from 1 it will become 0, and the element at position 1 is also removed. Okay, now only one element is remaining. Say you want to delete that element also, so again decrement the top. From top 0 it will become -1. As we have seen, when the top is -1, the stack is empty. I hope I'm clear with this. So this process is called as pop. The process of removing an item from the stack is called pop. I hope I'm clear with this. So the operations on stack are push, pop, displaying the elements. So you can display the elements from starting 0 index till the size of the stack, and we are going to write the program also in the next video. So if you understand this topic, you can easily write the program. So you are going to write the functions like push function and pop function. What you're going to write inside the push function? Here what am I doing? First I'm reading the element which the user want to insert, and I'm incrementing the top values. Yes, so these are the two lines of code which you are going to write in push function. And what you're going to do in pop, so you're going to decrement the top value and the element will be removed. I hope I'm clear with this. Okay then, so this is all about the stack. In the examination, if they tell you to write a note on stack, so first you explain about what is stack and give the examples and tell them about how the stack works. This is a brief introduction about the stack, and the remaining part is to write a program on it. So we are going to implement the stack program using C language in the next video. I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, click on subscribe, and I will see your face in the next video.